many of you want to know how coaching works? Or maybe you're a coach and you want to get that message across to your clients more effectively, more quickly in a session. Well, at ICE, we're going to kick off the International Coaching Week 2024 with a coaching demo. And the title of it is Understanding Coaching for Beginners. It's a 90-minute session, and I'm going to run a group coaching session. In essence, I'm going to run through 5 questions. It's an interactive session, and you're going to walk away with some insights about how coaching can impact you if you've never experienced it. Or as a coach, you may take away this model and apply it in a one-on-one or in a group setting in your own coaching practice. I really look forward to seeing you there and learning with you. In order to join this program, well, it's on Sunday, 12th of May, and it kicks off at 2:30 UK time for 90 minutes. And you can go and press on the link below and sign up for the program. Thanks for listening. See you there.